In today's video, I have for you a vintage jewelry unbagging, unboxing, but it's not just any vintage jewelry. It's Tiffany. It's all from the Tiffany store, 100% authentic, one owner collection. We're about to go through it. And I'm also adding things from my personal collection. I have a goal for November to sell at least 10 things for $1,000 each. Some of them are $1,000 and some of them are a lot more. So get ready. That's all the Tiffany. And then here's what my stuff is. All right, sneak peek. This appraisal is for an Art Deco unheated sapphire. And then there's more goodies in here. And we're gonna start with the Tiffany. Ooh, beautiful. Look at this. Everything you see here will be available for sale or auction. Sign up for free alerts for when I go live, 917-809-7250. You can also contact me here. This is what you want to see when you're looking at Tiffany. That's what you want to see on the chain right there. This is nice. This is heavy. I've never seen this before. How pretty is that? If you see anything you like and you'd like to make an offer, let me know. Put that there. What's in this one? Ooh, okay, so this is not a Tiffany ring. Those are diamonds. That's wonderful. If you know what it is, let us know in the comments below the video. I will be researching it myself, and this will be available as well. Everything in this video will be available coming up for sale or auction, or feel free to make an offer, and that includes my personal collection as well. This is sterling silver and gold. This is vintage. Here's the mark. I probably have 2 pounds of sterling from Tiffany here in this bag. Let's put that there. This is not Tiffany, but it's one of my favorites. This is made by Ippolita. It's called the Bastille necklace. This sells secondary market, places like STA Collective and the Real. They average over $2,000. That will be coming up at auction. This is the Tiffany mesh bracelet. There's the mark. Awesome. This is not Tiffany. I think this is Michael Dawkins. Let us know in the comments if you know. Again, this is beautiful. This is, yeah, this is, I recognize this design. This looks like a Michael Dawkins design. So that would make this sterling silver 18 karat gold and pearl. Beautiful toggle clasp on that. Something like this is so wearable and usable and like everyday elegant. I would love to keep something like that. Cannot. This one, I started researching this and I ran out of time. I don't think it's something that's like right on the tip of my brain. Like it's, if you know what it is, let us know. It's a more exclusive designer. There is the marks right there. Anyway, this will be coming up for sale or auction. Look at it. It's sterling, but it's like silk cord sterling, and it's perfectly knotted. This came from the same collector as all of the Tiffany. Obviously, she kept it with her Tiffany, which is why we have it. Yeah, just do that now. There's another one in here. This is the pouch with the two-sided pocket, okay? Silver studs. Oh, this is awesome. These are enjoying a renaissance. These have become very popular recently. These silver ball bracelets. All right, and then here's the little tag. And this guy, look at these. These are beautiful. Vintage, vintage. And don't forget, you can always make an offer. I'm going to say it again. What's in here? Oh, ooh, little bracelet, little tiny little wrist bracelet. I guess that we can make that bigger. And then the Roman numeral, I think this is called the Atlas. All right. And then the little last bag, and then we'll go through my rings. Oh, there's something else in here. What is this? Ooh, okay, all right. So bookmark or keychain, Peretti. And then these are actually Judith Ripka. This is a Judith Ripka set. How nice. How nice is that? All right, they're heavy sterling. And some Judith Ripka is made with CZ and some is made with diamonds. So I will have to check these before I sell them. All right, now even more exciting than pounds of Tiffany is what I'm offering. Okay, so I have here my personal, look at this. I have here my personal Judith Hendler. This was made and signed to me, all right? There you know, it's number 24. It was done in 2011, signed by her. Here's the rest of the paperwork. And this is the necklace. Okay, this is actually even there's the script, the etched script signed and dated. Can you see this? This was only available to the people in the collectors club. Very, very limited edition. It's beautiful on. It's one of the best things. I had to get it. This is the bag she actually sent it in. Once again, everything is numbered, signed, all documentation. All right. If you want that, that is $1,000. All right. With all the documentation made out to me, signed and numbered. This here, which one is this? Ah, this is my Art Deco Platinum. I think it's 7 point, hold on, let me get the appraisal. This is the appraisal certificate. Okay. .51 carats, okay, so a little bit over 7.5 carats. of natural unheated star sapphire, diamond and platinum Art Deco ring, 4 old mine cut diamonds, 10 points. Sapphire is double-sided oval cabochon, very good light medium grayish blue, French platinum, all right, handmade original platinum French Art Deco setting, circa 1925. There it is. This is way more than $1,000, all right? I am asking $7,000 for this. Or if I know you and we have a relationship and you want to make an offer that is reasonable, I will listen to a reasonable offer. There's the underside of it. You can see it's double-sided. You can see the old platinum setting. Next, we have my 1 carat diamond pave ring. This is set in 14 karat gold. It is a size 6 that is made by Effie. That is $1,000. That is a bargain price for that. This is 3/4 carat of fancy yellow pear cut old diamond in a platinum band with amazingly good quality white diamonds on the side. These equal about 1/3 carat and they are color DEF. This is sizable. It is platinum. It is currently a size 5.5, fancy yellow cut. This ring was appraised at over $11,000 about 15 years ago. This ring is $4,000, but once again, if you'd like to send me a reasonable offer, I will entertain it. Next, we have one of my most special pieces from my collection. This is a necklace and earrings. This is designed by Donna Chambers. You are looking at 14 karat gold freshwater pearls and antique Chinese gambling chips. Okay, this is the necklace. This is very heavy 14 karat gold. Here's the back of it. All right, there's the artist's mark. These are antique mother of pearl Chinese gambling chips or game chips. This is multi-strand freshwater pearls, heavy 14 karat gold, gold tubes. It's exquisite around the neck. And we have the earrings. These are forever timeless. Here is the old appraisal. This appraisal is from 2013. The necklace was appraised. The necklace, it says the necklace consists of, the necklace appraised at $3,100 and the earrings appraised at $1,140. So that's 4, 2. So I am asking $6,000 for the set. Please do contact me if you are interested. That is firm. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's very special visit. Don't forget to sign up for text alerts, and I'll see you next week. Bye.